Hi guys, welcome back. You all into the CAD design in Kannada YouTube channel. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಲಿರೋ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್, types of physical quantities, fundamental quantities, derived quantities, and system of unit. So next topic is dimensions, measurement, least count, vernier caliper, and last topic is screw gauge. So hagadre today's class we will discuss these topics. First one is physical quantity. So one which can be measured is called a physical quantity. One which can be measured. So unit. So definition of unit is standard quantity in terms of which physical quantity is measured is called a unit. Standard quantities in terms of which physical quantity is measured, right? So types of physical quantities, there are two types of physical quantity. First one is fundamental quantities, another one is derived quantities, right? So we will discuss about this topic. First one is fundamental quantities. So physical quantities which can be independent of each other is called a fundamental quantities. For example, length, mass, and time, right? So it is called a fundamental quantities. So another one type is derived quantity. So physical quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities is called a derived quantities. So example of these derived quantities: area, volume, and velocity. So next topic is types of unit. There are two types of unit. First one is fundamental unit, another one is derived unit. So fundamental units, the units of fundamental quantities is called a fundamental unit, and example of this fundamental unit is meter, kilogram, and second, right? These are the examples. Derived units. So the next topic is derived unit. The unit of derived quantities is called a derived unit. So example of this derived unit is meter square, Newton, and joules. System of units. So see here, FES, it means foot, pound, and second. And next one is CGS, centimeter, gram, and second. So another one is MKS, meter, kilogram, and second. So in SI, there are 7 basic quantities and 2 supplementary quantities. Let we discuss these topics. Okay. So see here, 7 basic fundamentals. So first one is basic quantities, unit and symbol. Length, meter, the symbol of this one is meter, and mass, kilogram, and kg. Time, second, and symbol is yes. Like this type of 7 basic quantities, and so their units and symbols was mentioned here. Please take a screenshot and properly read. Okay. So another one, 2 supplementary quantities is unit and the symbol. So first one is plane angle, so radian, and so RAD is the symbol. In the solid angle, the symbol is SR, right? So these are the main important topics. Now this topic is multiples and submultiples. So we will discuss about multiples. Deca, it means 10 to the power 1. Hecta, it means 10 to the power 2. Kilo, it means 10 to the power 3. Mega, it means 10 to the power 6. Giga, it means 10 to the power 9. Tera, it means 10 to the power 12. And submultiples. So deci, it means 10 to the power minus 1. Centi, it means 10 to the power minus 2. Milli, 10 to the power minus 3. Micro, 10 to the power minus 6. Nano, 10 to the power minus 9. And last one is pico, it means 10 to the power minus 12. So it is called multiples and submultiples. Now we will discuss about dimensions. The power to which fundamental quantities must be raised to obtain quantities is called a dimensions, right? The power to which fundamental quantities must be raised, right? So what is the definition of measurement? The comparison of physical quantity which the standard of reference of the same physical quantities is called a measurement. So okay, let me discuss about this. So next topic is least count. The smallest value that can be measured in the instrument is called a least count. The smallest value, right? Simply called smallest value. So next topic is vernier caliper. So it's work on the principle of vernier, and least count is the difference between one main scale division and one vernier scale division. So least count, value of 1 MSD, main scale division, divided by total number of divisions, and total reading is MSR, main scale reading, plus CVD, coincide vernier division, into least count is called a total reading. This is the formula of this vernier caliper, and upper jaws are used to find the internal diameter of hollow cylinder. Okay. So next one is screw gauge. So screw gauge is works on the principle of screw and nut. The pitch is the distance between two consecutive threads of the screw, and the pitch is how we measure distance covered on PS. It means a pitch scale and a number of rotation given to the screw, right? So it is called a pitch, and the pitch is always equal to the value of 1 PST. PST means pitch scale division, right? And if 0 error is minus 5 HST, it means head scale division. So then 0 occurs is plus 5 HST. This means head scale division, right? It is called 0 error. And so corrected HSR is equal to HSR plus 0 correction. HSR means head scale reading. PSR it means a pitch scale reading. CHSR it means a circular head scale reading. So thickness of the thin wire and plates. So